Alright, today I am setting up my RTL-SDR Blog V4 on my Windows computer. This video isn't a tutorial, it's just my first experience getting everything installed, unzipped, and recognized, and of course launching the GUI itself. So here's some of the stuff that came in the packaging. We've got some antennas, an adapter, the dongle, some pretty standard kind of stuff here. I'll read the instructions eventually, it's just a lot up front, so I'm taking it little by little. So I ended up downloading the zip they recommended. I unzipped it in the Windows File Explorer and I started the setup. Depending on your setup, you might get a permission prompt or two. It's nothing dramatic, just Windows being Windows. Alrighty, so we've got the dongle right here, and that is going to be plugging into your 3-meter adapter or directly into your antenna base here. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and made the connection with the 3-meter adapter. So I did a little 3D print and I now have a case. I think I just put this side over that and it snaps right into place. Look at that. I'm terrible at 3D printing and, well, yeah, we'll leave that sentence at that. I'm terrible at 3D printing, but I'm getting better. I'm having fun with it. Look at that. What was that? A quarter, maybe 20 cents? Sometimes when I dive into things, I do not tend to read long sentences or paragraphs or go into anything too in-depth all at once. Sometimes I ease myself into things, so I did not read all of this at all. I found the download and proceeded with the download. So one thing did kind of act a little weird. So I clicked the 8 version and I was able to see the graphical user interface, and then I went to go do it again on camera for you guys and all of a sudden it wouldn't work. So I don't know what that was about, but when I went and downloaded the 9 version, it did work. So I don't know whether Windows wanted something newer or something shifted in the background. I honestly don't know. So then I went ahead and clicked 9 in the File Explorer and it was no problem. Once I got the AirSpy GUI opened and actually detected the SDR, that was the whole goal of this video. I didn't dive into settings or try to decode anything because I don't even know yet. I'm literally at step 1. So that's my honest Windows setup experience with the V4 dongle. Unboxing, unzipping, a couple Windows steps, version confusion, and finally landing in the software. Where I go next with the SDR depends on how things unfold, but I'll definitely keep exploring it.